In this video, we are gonna insert more values into our employee table. If you have seen the previous video, students, you know that we have already created the employee table and we have demonstrated insert command, which is a DML command. That was the first command that we have seen. Now we will be looking out for a second command that is called as update. But before update, we need a lot of insert commands to be done. So I have just inserted few values. I will like to show you the table actually. To see the table, we have to do select star from employee. So let us just run the command, okay? And let us see the table. Now this is my table, okay? I have almost done 12 entries into it. There are some first name, last name, okay? And if you could see that we have also assigned managers to some of the employees. Well, some of the employees do not have managers, okay? So this is my overall employee table, which is first name, last name, email address. There is age, there is some salary. Okay, there is some department, there is joining date, there is gender, everything. Now let us say we need to update it. Okay, update basically, please understand if you want to do any changes at the row level. Okay, like this is the database, and you want to let us say change the salary of employee number one. So this is called as row level, okay? Or I want to find out, or I can say I want to increment the salary of all those employees whose department is HR. So all this is called as row level entries, which can be done by using our update clause. So now let us try and do that. Let us say that all those employees whose salary is, or else whose department is HR, let us, just increase the salary or let us modify the salary. Okay. So that is what we will be doing here now. So let us write a command, okay? We have already done the inserting. Let us write the command over here. The command for that is the update command. So we will say update. We have to write the table name. The table name is update. Table name is employee. Okay. Let's say set salary. Okay. I'm just saying that salary should be equal to, I'm saying it should be salary plus, uh, let's say salary. I'll just make it simple. Salary plus 10,000. Okay. It's salary plus 10,000. Okay, this is what I want. Salary should be equal to, I don't think we need the brackets actually. Okay, salary is equal to salary plus 10,000. Just make sure that the attribute name is salary only. Yes, it is SALARY. The same attribute name has to be used. Okay. If you do not give any where clause, then what will happen for every employee, the salary will become salary plus 10,000. But let us say we only want to do it to those employees, which let us say where department. Let me just check the attribute name. Yes, it is department. If you want, you can copy paste it. Okay, yeah, it is correct actually. Where department is equal to, remember it is varchar, so it has to be given in single quote. So let us say where the department is HR, we're going to increase the salary by 10,000. So now let us, just run this command and check. If you do that, we say that yes, 4 updates has been done. Maybe because there are 4 people, working in this HR department. So now let us run a table and check. So if you remember the salary earlier for HR, okay, was 50,000 or something. So now it has become to 60,000 and all that. Okay. Now your question should be why the HR has come at the bottom. Let me tell you. By default, whichever query we run, students, in our PostgreSQL, it is always at the bottom. Okay, it is always at the bottom. And that is how we see. Earlier, if you would have seen, our data set look like from 1 to 12 employees. But now as we have updated certain things, so all the updated goes in the bottom. Okay. So this is how we can run the update query. Now we have seen one update query like that. We can update anything.